With a heavy heart, I am announcing to the world that Okemesi is dead. Bamidele Oluwatope Saint, aka Okemesi, is dead. The doctor pronounced him dead at exactly 11:50 a.m. this morning. Today's date is 24th of February 2026. Okemesi is gone. So on behalf of the entire Bamidele family, I am announcing to the world that Oluwatope Bamidele Saint Okemesi is dead. We have taken the body to the morgue, and I will communicate the rest of the arrangements to you guys. Let me use this medium to say a very big thank you to everybody that supported Okemesi during this, entire period. I want to say a big thank you. God bless you to everyone that sent money. Donate to the cause of Okemesi. God will continue to bless you. And if you really son fúnra wa, ọjọ́ ó máa jìnnà síra wọn. Okemesi is gone. Ó dojú àlà, ó dárìnà kù. To the entire Okemesi fans, God bless you for your support. Gbogbo àwọn tó turn up, gbogbo àwọn tó support, thank you, God bless you. To the entire Unscripted with Jeff Owelewa fans, thank you so much. God bless you for your support. To the entire, public, gbogbo àwọn tó dìde, gbogbo àwọn tó dìde tí wọ́n support, tí wọ́n ṣe àdúrà, tó dẹ̀ send owó, God will continue to bless you. And if irú èyí sọ fúnra wa, then let me acknowledge the entire Nollywood. God bless you. God bless you. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe pátá, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá la rí. God will continue to bless you. Èèyàn ò ní ṣe dáadáa, èèyàn ò ní ṣe oore fún ẹ̀dá ẹgbẹ́ k'Ọlọ́run má san dáadáa fún ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dìde, tẹ́ support Okemesi, tẹ́ ṣe dáadáa, the entire Nollywood industry, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dìde fún Okemesi, God will continue to bless you all. Ẹ ṣeun gan. I will be communicating the rest of the arrangements, to you guys. Let me use this medium again to tell you guys, please stop sending money to that account. Okemesi is dead. Stop sending money to that account. We are going to deactivate the account because this video might not get to a lot of people. This video might not get to a lot of people that might not understand what is really going on. That's why we are using this medium to tell you guys that please stop sending money to that account. God will continue to bless you. Ẹ ṣeun gan, ẹ kú ìdìde. Ọlọ́run á dáríjì Okemesi. Ọlọ́run á dáríjì Okemesi. Ọlọ́run á tẹ́ sí afẹ́fẹ́ rere. Thank you.